everybody, I am back again. You know my name, it's right there. Today I'm going to show you two vehicles, our Thompson camper car bespoke Volkswagen range. If you've seen Sheila Show Me, you've seen that I showed you how to put the bed down on that. I'm going to give you a good nosy on that. And the other one I'm going to show you is our Volkswagen Cosy camper. It's a second hand, so let's go. Now, as I mentioned, this is a bespoke model that we make in-house. You know, if you wanted a brand new one, you can tell us the exact spec that you want, what colour, what upholstery, everything, and we design it, and it's Volkswagen verified as well. So, this one is a 5-belt 4-berth. Of course, it has the pop-up roof up above, and as I showed you, the bed folds out, but I'll add that link down below for you if you didn't see it. It comes with a 2-gas hob and your sink there, as well as your under-the-counter fridge in below. We've made sure that there's tons of storage in this vehicle with every inch of this camper. Even down here in the back, all the storage you need. This vehicle's for sale. It is a 2015, but we converted it in 2020. On to the next one. So the second motorhome, this is our Volkswagen Cosy camper. It is on an Irish registration plate, which you'll see, and it is a 2014. Now, this one has a bit of a more funky, different kind of layout. Bit unusual, but I think it's great. Again, this one is a 4-berth and 2-belt, so it's slightly different. The other had 5 belts, this has 2 belts. So straight away, you can see a big difference in the shape of the pop-up roof in here. And as well as that, it also has this lounge area here as well. Back is your kitchen. Come on ahead in and I'll show you. So of course you have your fridge underneath there, your storage opposite that, and then additional counter space. You then have your sink and your 2-gas hob. Now for the little special feature, your toilet that is built in. Oh, yeah, so you have your pop-top roof as well. And that's it, folks. That's our 2 Volkswagens that we have in stock at the minute. If you'd like to see how the bed folds out on either of them, you'll see one. I'll link it below. If you want to see how this one works, please let me know. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!